You can make little tweaks to your copy and use certain words that change the frickin' meaning into a more benefit. You said it, Caleb, like you can change a line of copy and then often it'll go that way or go to shit, right? So again, think of stuff like that. And there's a lot of words that you can add one letter to. Completely changes the meaning. There's 3 adverts there. I did not write these. These are one of Dan Kennedy's chiropractic clients. But have a look at the 3 of them. And they're all quite similar, all offering free reports, all with a call to action. These are lead generation adverts. And once you've read all 3, if you think advert A pulled the best response, stand up. No one thinks A was the best one? It says, free report, do you make these mistakes when treating your migraine headaches with a call to action? All right? Who thinks B might have been better? Free report, they all laughed when I called a chiropractor until my migraine headaches went away. Stand up. Okay, sit down. So the rest of you must think it was example C. Who else wants migraine headache relief? Right? Stand up if you think that was the best one. What a bunch of losers. This one, B, pulled in a 1,700% increase in response from this one that failed dismally.